Still killing it.
What's that?
You're in Glasgow, where are you?
You're not in Glasgow. Don't tell lies. You're going round the roundabout, I can see you. Hola!
Like really?
That's me.
Just we do bang 50 miles per hour. Okay. All systems go.
All systems are go. Yep, that's what I said to you last week, or during the week. That iOS weather app's pish. Bit of filtration. Right, wiggle your hips, shake those hips, baby. This is why we have a bike.
Squeeze through that.
Van's seen us. Cheers, pal.
You can't go past it, you're like,
Well, it's better on your bike than in between your arse cheeks, isn't it?
never tried it.
Don't mock it till you've tried it. Busy as hell, eh? One Audi features, you can see me. Oh, you want to change lanes now, do you? Walloper.
When you get in the middle there.
Oh, hiya. That made light work of that, eh?
If I can get through, you can always get through.
I'll get through anywhere, trust me. Have you got your heated grips on? No? That's alright then, because I was just going to call you a pussy if you did, eh? I've not got mine on, before you ask. I've no.
South left.
You're away the wrong fucking way. You're going back onto the same motorway. You're a fucking bellend. Fuck me. At least when I made a fuck up the last time, I got back onto the motorway the same way. Oh Jesus. What am I going to do with you? Aye. Right, let's come off at this one. And remember, it's 2 junctions back now. Oh, for God's sake. Aye, because you can't be trusted. Oh no, shit, it's not this one, is it?
Is it not?
Aye, we can.
Must be like in the airport.
Aye. Ah, fuck it, let's try it. What? Ah, we should be able to go up and under, eh?
Lying behind you nearly hit me.
Well, fucking slap him.
It's a fucking female.
Ah, right.
Left,
Take a left there, aye.
Honey,
Aye. I think I've got whatever you've got.
what?
Stupid cunt syndrome.
I'm on the fucking net, mate. Where are you?
I'm behind you. I'm behind you. It's like a fucking pantomime, eh?
You fuck. What do you mean? You're still to the last one.
Aye.
Into the section.
And a can of coke.
You want to go first?
What, you scared in case,
You end up back to the
aye.
I've got my Audi 7 again.
Then you blew the engine up.
I'm fucking out. Should have happened that quality of car.
Aye. Oh, my legs.
Right.
Fucking state of the roads. I know. Oh, that's a nice breeze in my pass. And here we are, Sportsbikeshop, Glasgow. Indicate would help. Just go in here once he pulls it. Aye.
That was a nice wee detour.
It was. I thoroughly enjoyed it.